Hello students, I am your maths teacher Rohit Samanto. Hope you are well and safe at your home. Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss mentally 55 of your mental math book. So open your mental math book, mentally 55. Okay, write in your copy, not in your book. So put today's date. So actually this mentally is based from the chapter fraction. We will learn a topic from the fraction. So what is the instruction? Reduce each of the following fractions to its simplest form. Simplest form means you have to write the numerator and denominator, okay, such that there is no common factor other than one of the numerator and denominator. Okay, there is no common factor. But here in question 1, just see 60 and 105. Is there any common factor? So yes, by 5 you can divide this 60, by 5 you can divide this 105. That means this is not in simplest form. Simplest form means what? Numerator and denominator, there is no common factor. But here there is a common factor 5 and there may be another factor also. Okay, so how to do? Okay, so what we'll do? We'll just divide by their common factor. So write it again, 60 by 105. So now by which number you can divide it? By 5 you can divide it. So by 5 if you divide 60, so obviously you know this will be 12. So we cut it. Cut it means we are dividing. Okay, so if you divide it by 5 we will get 12. If you divide this by 5, what will you get? If you do this by mentally you can do it, but if you can't do it mentally, just do the division in this way, 105. So by 2, 10, 5, 1. Okay, so 21. Now 12 and here 21. Can you cut by them any common factor? Just listen. You can cut this by 2. So okay, and you cut this by 2? Cut means divide. No, that means you can't do it. You have to divide by the same number to the numerator and the denominator. So by 3, yes, by 3 if you divide it, it will be 12. By 3 if you divide it, it will be 7. Here 4 and 7. Is there any number so that you can divide 4 and 7 both other than 1? No number. Okay, that means this is the simplest form. So the answer is 4 by 7. Okay dear students, so when we divide, you have to divide by the same number. You don't do this, here you divide this by 2. Suppose here 12 by 21. You divide this by 2, it will be 6. You divide this by 3, it will be 7. This is not correct. Okay, so by same number you have to divide. I hope that you have understood it. Next, question number 2, 84 by 98. So what we will do? First write the fraction again. Okay, now just see by which number you can divide both 84 and 98. Just see both are even number, that means you can cut it by 2. So no, and one thing, listen, there is not necessary that all time you have to cut by a prime number. You can cut by any number. Okay, so I am here cutting, then you are dividing here by 2. It will be what? 42, and this will be what? 49. So 42 and here 49. By which number you can divide 42 and 49 both? By 7. By 7 if you divide 42 we will get 6. By 7 if you divide 49 we will get 7. So 6 by 7 is the answer. Just see 6 and 7. Can you divide by both 6 and 7 by any number? No. Okay. So other than 1 there is no common factor. That means this is in the simplest form. Is it clear? So question number 3, this is given 33 by 121. So first give equal sign and write this. Okay, now just see by which number you can cut it. By 11 you can cut it. By 11, 3, by 11, 121. And please keep in your mind, when you solve it, the table, okay, you have to do the table. You have to count it first. That's why you have to keep in your mind the table, all the table up to 20. Okay, prepare that. So here what is the answer? 3 by 11. Can you cut it? No. So the answer is 3 by 11. Question number 4, 5, 6 is your homework. Question number 7. Okay. So first write this again. Okay. Now by 2, yes, we can cut both. So it will be 64, and by 2 just do it 192. If you do it mentally, no problem, do it mentally. So by 9, 18, 1, 2, 6, 12. So it will be 96. Again by 2 it will be 32. Again by 2 it will be what? 48. Now you can cut this by 2. Can you cut this by 8? Yes. So if you cut this by 8, what you will get? 8 4s are 32 and 8 6s are 48. Now by 2 this is 2. Now by 2 this is 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Okay, so keep in your mind here, this is not necessary that always you have to cut by prime number. You can cut by any factor. Either this is prime or that is composite. Okay. Question number 8. What is question number 8? 132 by 187. Very important question this is. So first write in this way 132 by 187. Now just see 187 by which number you can divide it? By 2? No. By 3? What is the sum of the digits? 9. 9 plus 7. 16. No. 16 cannot divide by 3. By 4? By 5? No. Just see by 11 you can divide. 7 plus 1 8. 8 minus 8 0. Yes. By 11 you can divide. And here 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 3 0. Yes. Both can be divisible by 11. So if you divide 11, if you divide 132 by 11, what you will get? 1 2 2 12. And if you divide 187 by 11, what you will get? By 1 17 1 7. Again by which number? By 11. 1 7 by 17. So this will be 11. So this is 77. So by 7 77. So 17. So if you cut it by 11, we will get 12. If you cut it by 11, we will get 17. So the answer is 12 by 17. We can't cut more. Okay. So this question is important because here you have to check up to 11. This is not go by 2 3. Okay. So do what? You will reach that 11 divide this. Okay. Not 11 divide this, 11 divide. Question 9. This is given. So first write in this way. Now just see by 2 you can divide 1 4 4. By 2 this will be 18 and 0. Okay. So now cut this by 2 again. This will be 72. This will be 90. Now by 9 you can cut it. If you cut it by 9, it will be 8. If you cut it by 9, you will get 10. If you cut it by 2, it will be 4. If you cut it by 2, it will be 5. So 4 by 5 is the answer. Is it clear? So do the division. Then when you get that there are two numerator and the denominator have no common factor, that is the simplest one. Question number 10. What is given in question number 10? 775 by 1000 by 1000. Okay. So just write again 1000. Okay. So now by which number you can cut? By 5 you can cut it. So just by 5. What it will be? 775 1 5 2 7 by 5. This is 25 2 5. Again by 5 it will be 25. Okay. So it will be 155 and it will be obviously by 5 2 and 0 0 200. By 5 it will be 3 1 31 and by 5 it will be 4 0 40. So 31 by 40. Can you cut it more? No. So this is the answer, 31 by 40. Okay. So dear students, I hope that you all have understood today's class. Okay, practice this and solve the left sums by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.